Okay, this is my Hot Wheels front loader garbage truck. They no longer have them in stores. You can only find them on eBay. That's where I found this one. It is pretty rare. The dumpster goes down. So inside of it, there's actually a little thing. So it's the Hot Wheels on the back. Has a lot of detail on it actually. Says Hot Wheels Recycler. If you look closely, it says stand clear on the back. It actually looks like a real type of cab, like it kind of looks like a Peterbilt to me. And the shape of the truck is sort of reminds me of an AMREP, like an Octo front loader, sort of. Well, that was my Hot Wheels front loader.